Hi, this is me again, and I'm here with a really quick video. And I didn't show this. I'm going to show this. This was an ATC from the swap I recently did, or did a month or so, a couple months ago. And this is from Tina. We had a problem. Tina's got original ATC got lost in the mail, and she was nice enough to redo it and send me this one. I really like it, and I love the way she put it together. She's got the little seed beads and the music. There's Psalms 113:6 and praise. I really like that, so I'm going to be adding that to my collection. And another thing I'm going to show you right quick is Griffin. I bought one of the birthday sets because I needed some quick birthday cards, and if you've been listening to me, and I've not been videoing very much, my mojo is, I don't know, it went on vacation, and I think it's having too good a time, and it didn't come back yet. So I'm hoping it hurries home because I do miss it. My creative juices have been kind of null and void. They are just not happening. So I decided to do, just so that I could create something and try to work myself back to where I was, I decided to do these for some birthday cards because I needed birthday cards and didn't feel like creating any from scratch. These are great. I am going to stamp a sentiment on the inside, and it just says happy birthday to you. I'm going to stamp a sentiment and just put my JML on there, and I'm going to send these off because I need to send 3 off right away. So yeah, thank you so much. That is one. I really like these. They're simple. I just put on some foam tape. I use this, and just to pop them up a little bit to give them a little dimension, and it works great. So there's one, happy birthday to you, and here's one that says birthday wishes. They're cute. Here's another one, on your birthday, and like I said, I'm just going to stamp something on the inside. And then here is another one that says happy birthday, and you got 4 cards for $2.49 along with the envelope, so you couldn't beat that deal. And I will be working on getting these in the mail. So thank you so much for watching, and hey, I will be back hopefully with something really creative. All right guys, bye. If you leave a message, a comment, yeah, you know the deal. Thanks a lot. Bye.